This is Trishna Rao reporting from the Innisfree News Desk. As a part of a project run by the British Council in partnership with the BBC, 11 to 16-year-olds are being given the chance to make their own news reports at school. The project aims to engage young people with news and international current affairs, hear young people's voices and stories, and encourage young people to debate the ethics of newsmaking. The students of Innisfree House School participated in the BBC News Report workshop held on the 30th of November 2011 at BGS National Public School. As a part of the project, Team Innisfree conducted a survey to find out people's opinions about extracurricular activities being as important as academics. Here are the results. It was found that 97% of the people surveyed were agreeable with the statement, while only a minuscule 3% were against the idea. Some people were also insecure. Most of them felt that co-curricular activities give students a change from academics and relieve them of stress. It gives their self-confidence a boost and helps them work as a team. The overall opinion is that only academic accomplishments do not ensure success for a child. An interview with our principal, Mrs. Shenoy, revealed that extracurricular activities are indeed very important in today's world as they widen the students' horizons. This is what she said. With me the principal of our school, Mrs. Shenoy. She will share with us her views on the subject. In today's world, extracurriculars are as necessary as academics. So tell me, Mrs. Shenoy, do you agree with this statement?
Yes, very much.
Why? Is there any specific reason why you think extracurriculars are as important?
In today's world, children need to know much more than just what's between the covers of their books. And to know this, only then will they gain an all-round knowledge of everything. And for this, extracurricular is very important.
Mrs. Hussaini, a teacher of our school, was of the same opinion. Extracurricular activities are necessary for the holistic development of children. This is what she had to say. Did you participate in many extracurricular activities as a student?
It's a long time since I was a student. Come to think of it, I was in the throwball team, I do remember. But I was prone to nervousness, to be frank. So I don't remember standing in front of a crowd or an audience and addressing them. But I was in the throwball team and the kho-kho team, and I had a very good time.
How did participating in these activities help you?
Since I was in the sports, it helped. Team spirit is what develops when you are in any sport for that matter, because you're playing not only for yourself, you're mainly playing for the team.
Two senior students of our school, Abhaya Ganeshri and Arjun Murthy, were interviewed. Both of them were in favor of giving extracurricular activities the same degree of importance as academics. This is what they had to say.
Good morning. The topic for today is, are co-curricular activities as important as academics in today's world? What are your views on the topic, Arjun?
I believe that it is very important for school-going children. It helps them reduce the stress in their lives at this time of the year.
It helps them cultivate the arts more than including their education, so it helps them in their future.
Yeah, right. But don't you think studies are as important?
I believe they are equally important as they go one in one.
They are equally important, but it depends on what the person is what they take in.
I see. What do you think schools should do to improve the balance between these two aspects?
I believe that they should incorporate different activities such as clubs and hobby groups.
They can have more than just sports. They can have music groups or for the arts. Yes.
Thank you, Arjun. Thank you, Abhaya. This is Aditya Kolhatkar from Innisfree House School for the BBC School Report.
Thank you for watching BBC School News Report. This is Trishna Rao reporting from the Innisfree News Desk.